Hi, I'm Sandra Spielberg, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Adnexi. Meet Walter. Walter was born in Uruguay, and his native language was Spanish. He immigrated to the U.S. at the age of 44 with his wife and 3 kids in tow. In 2003, at the age of 55, he was diagnosed with renal cell carcinoma and congestive heart failures, conditions that made him a recurrent visitor to the ICU. Most importantly, Walter was my dad. I watched him suffer for many years, confused and frustrated that he wasn't able to access the newer treatments that could have lengthened his life. The participation of African American, Hispanic, and Asian populations in clinical trials is disproportionately low. And no one offered my dad a spot in a clinical trial, even though several trials were active and recruiting. Patients and families of these populations deserve better, which is why I made it my mission to make clinical trials more inclusive. Here are 2 ways that Adnexi is improving access to clinical trials. Trialversity is a data-driven approach to identify clinical trial investigators who are most likely to treat and influence diverse patient populations. This helps with diversity plans, site selection decisions, and enrollment plans. Before finalizing site selection, we activate another innovation, Adnexi Influence Mapping. AIM measures the influence and standing of possible clinical trial investigators and key opinion leaders to ensure you're making the best possible investment. And we're not the only ones who think that diversity is important. The FDA has now mandated diversity plans for all phase 3 studies. At Adnexi, we're providing biopharma companies with the right data-driven solutions so that clinical trials include more diverse patients like my dad.